Hello everyone, this is Saida and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today I am going to explain a very short summary and critical analysis of the poem Full Moon and Little Frieda by Ted Hughes. So without wasting a further time, let's get started. Ted Hughes is a modern poet who uses modernist writing in his poetry, and Frieda is his daughter. The poet was living in his countryside home with two children after the death of his wife Sylvia when he wrote this poem. The poem is not regular, lines do not have the same length, and it is written in free verse. It's a kind of conversation between two people, probably a monologue. We also see the internal monologue is described through three words by little Frieda at the end. When the poet writes, "Moon, you cry suddenly, moon, moon." This structure is an interior monologue as the poet is thinking something in his head. Poet describes a non-significant evening when a dog is barking, someone is milking the cow, and there is noise from the bucket. Here the word "you" is for the poet's daughter Frieda, who is listening to all these noises. The spider's web is basically the poet's mind waiting for a dewdrop. He is tensed for an idea that is very richly defined. Then there is tremor on the surface of the bucket and cows are going home, moving in circles. This is the beautiful visual image created by the poet. Dark river of blood is also the poet's mind, where war memories are jumping back and forth while he is watching the cows and the person who is carrying the bucket. His unconsciousness is jumping constantly, and amidst this quietness, all of a sudden his daughter cries, "Moon, moon, moon." She sees the moon in the sky and gets excited. Moon is itself a metaphor for creation. The moon has stepped back like an artist looking amazed. Here is the image of a mirror, but the moon has stepped back. He is watching nature's work like an artist. Moon is an artist, whereas Frieda is the creation, and he is watching Frieda with awe. Ironically, there are two artists and both are looking at each other. Frieda is also an artist as she has found the moon. But the moon itself is also presented as an artist who is looking at Frieda, thinking how beautiful the creation is. We see a double image, like if there are two mirrors, then the image of the first mirror would be seen in the second one and vice versa. It feels like the creative process has been completed. So this was our today's video. Thank you so much for watching.